guys, welcome to my channel. So I want to do a pastel winter mani. So I've got cotton candy. This is all from Sparkle & Co. That's DP04. DP98 is Sugar Plum Fairy. It's like a lavender. DP100, so pretty, is Periwinkle Promise. And DP08 is Mint to Be. And it's kind of like a bluish green pastel kind of thing. So I'm going to get these on my nails. I'm going to do, oh, I got them in the wrong order. Pink, purple, this one, and then this one on my thumb and my pinky. I'll do that, and then I'll come back because I want to do some nail art on it. So I just wanted to show you what I was working with first. So I'll be back. Okay, I got them all done. Now I have to activate. My second pass. I have a napkin off to the right that you can't see. That's where I wipe my brush. Looking a little rough. They're looking hella rough. I did 3 coats because I really wanted it to be opaque on the tips. And then I clear coated. So I will give that a few minutes to harden up. And then I usually use the hand file buffer. And where did I put it? I put it somewhere I could easily grab it. Well, anyways, yeah, I usually just file. I don't usually use a hand file. So, alright, I'll just start yapping. So, I'll be back when it's all time to start doing some nail art on it. this was it. I don't know. This, I went over it with some clear coat, so I didn't feel the roughness of the glitter because it was bothering me. I did cover this and this in top coat. This doesn't feel bad. This was a pain in the butt to make. It's a lot harder to do these things on yourself. I've done them on tips, but they weren't that great, so I'll take a win for this nail. The rest, meh. Meh, meh, meh. But I think doing too much is too much. You know what I mean? So I still want to do more pastel winter nails. I got some Christmas ones lined up that I want to do. I might go with a simpler snowflake and just leave one finger with a snowflake. That's it. But that painting gel was a little bit hard to use. I didn't do anything on my thumb. I left it alone. It's the best looking nail. So, yeah. That's it, guys. Sorry this was a long one. I'll speed it up. Most of it's cut out, like all the dipping parts. So it was just like me struggling to do this crap. So, yeah. Remember, like, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff. And let me know what you want to see. I don't know what the hell to do. I come up in this room every freaking day. I sit down, I look at all my stuff. Can't make a damn decision. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Can't make a damn decision. So tell me, what should I do? Give me some ideas. I spend my nights on Pinterest pinning things, and then I forget to freaking look at them, or then I go, I can't do that. Oh, I don't have that specific color. Not that I should even try to do it in the same color. But, oh my god, I need help, guys. I really do. I need your suggestions. So, I don't know how to run a poll. I don't even think I'm able to run a poll. So, please, leave some suggestions down below if you stayed this long. So, anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye.